This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to email addresses in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. To hyperlink text to an email address in Gmail, as you can see, I have begun composing an email right here, and there's two different ways to do it. If I wanted to hyperlink this word right here to my email address, to where when I send it, it'll come back as a hyperlink here. You click on that and it will open up Compose Mail on their device with whatever email address that I put on here. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is highlight the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across that. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to the bottom, down to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over that, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click on Insert Link. A little dialog box pops open asking you what you want to hyperlink this text to. I'm going to hyperlink it to my email address. And then I'm going to click on Apply. This bottom one down here, this is an actual legitimate email address. That's the same thing I hyperlink this to. That should, as soon as you send the email, it's going to come out as a hyperlink. As long as it's a proper email address, it will come out as a hyperlink once the email has been sent. But you can always do the same thing. You could highlight the text. You could go down to the bottom. You could click on the little chain icon, Insert Link, and see it automatically hyperlinked it. There's nothing more I need to do. If I put my mouse cursor over this text up here, if I left click on it, it tells you what that text is hyperlinked to. You can plainly see it's a hyperlink. I could change that if I wanted to by clicking on Change, and that little dialog box will reappear asking me what I want to hyperlink it to. I could remove the hyperlink by clicking on Remove. That is how to hyperlink text to an email address in Gmail. Thanks for watching.